Hi everyone, welcome to 2020. I hope you all had a safe New Year break. It's a beautiful January day today, so I thought I would update you on how all my chilli plants are travelling. Progress is slow this season, and I believe it's because of our extreme up and down weather conditions we've had. Some of my mild chilies have started producing pods, such as my jalapenos, long cayenne, Bulgarian carrot, orange Thai, and my Thai bird's eye plant, which is just going gangbusters with pods, as you can see. My super hots have started producing buds and flowers, but no noticeable pods at this stage. My sweet peppers are also starting to produce beautiful pods, like this long yellow sweet capsicum and my Friariello di Napoli. In my last video, I went through some plants that didn't make it and that I had to pull out and get rid of. But what I didn't do is I forgot to update you on some that recovered. Here are those plants. Here we have the Fatale Yellow and Fatale Chocolate, which were in front of my sunflowers. They are looking a lot healthier and happier now, and I hope they deliver some fruit before the season's end. All of these plants showed signs of either pests or disease, or lack of nutrients due to the existing soil. I applied regular applications of sea salt, the very popular fish emulsion tonic. I also used a slow release fertilizer for extra nitrogen, and for the pest and disease I also used a foliar application of eco oil, which is similar to neem oil but attracts and doesn't harm beneficial insects such as bees for pollination or ladybugs for aphids. I also used an organic fungicide called Eco Fungicide, which is from the same company that makes Eco Oil, to help control and kill fungus, black spot and mildew. Finally, I sprinkled diatomaceous earth at the base of my plants, which seemed to help the plants recover. In light of our late season, I hope they are able to produce fruit. I call this section of the front garden my Bay of Bacchitums. We have an ahi strawberry, sugar rush peach, ahi lemon, ahi pineapple, ahi amarillo, and to complete the bay, a Bulgarian carrot, which will produce my first ripe pod for 2020. All these plants are showing strong signs of growth. They've really shot up in the last month, and I'm really happy with their progress. Buds and flowers are starting to form, so I hope fruit isn't far away. And as seen from the street, they've really shot up. In an earlier video, I put to the test 3 different potting mixes using 3 identical Premotale seedlings. I will leave a notation to that video and a link in the description. As you can see, whilst there is significant growth, the one on the left looks a bit unhappy. I suspect pest or disease. I don't think it could be over-fertilisation because all 3 plants have been treated equally in terms of watering and feeding. As for the other 2, they are doing well with buds and flowers coming up, so fingers crossed I get some fruit from these. As for the rest of the plants in the back, it really is starting to look like a jungle. It would be great if you could please like this video and subscribe to my channel. In future episodes, I'll be getting straight into my hot sauces, and I'll also be doing a video on an amazing spicy smoky chili ketchup that I have made. Until then, see you same chili time, same chili channel.